Task number 14, challenge number 10, the bunny's browser trail. Let's see what this is all about. So we just have an HTTP access log where we have different HTTP requests. Sign in, admin panel, get, right? We have with different methods, 200, okay. So we have only 200s, which are successful logins and redirects. We see 2 redirects. Mozilla, this one from iPhone, Bunny OS, Mozilla. Let me see. SOCMOS, actually, let's read the room's information. The Bunny's browser trail SOCMOS web server are showing heavy traffic, but one log entry stands out. This one. User agent Bunny OS version 1 HopSec bot. Someone or something was infiltrated the system. Our agent strings help defenders spot automated or suspicious visitors in network logs. Find the unusual user agent in the HTTP logs. Steps. Read the provided web log entries, compare them to common web browsers, and then identify and select this suspicious entry. All right, there you go.